Hi. Uh, Last time when I was talking about motivational talk, during that series, I happened to go through one talk in which the speaker was giving stress on storytelling, and he gave two beautiful examples. He asked audience who happened to be engineers about Archimedes principle. Very reluctantly, few hands got raised. But the speaker didn't ask to elaborate on Archimedes' principle. Then he subsequently talked about tortoise and the rabbit race. And the number of hands raised by the engineers was enormous. Now, the moral of the story is this. People could cite reason that I'm cut off from main engineering, so I'm not able to remember Archimedes' principle. But how come you are still connected to tortoise and rabbit race? That means the way particular theory was presented, it was in the form of story. And the story of tortoise and rabbit still remained in memory. And unfortunately, Archimedes' principle was not there. And then I subsequently realized my son, who's today engineering graduate and pursuing management, when he was in class 10 or 12, most probably 10, he was feeling very uncomfortable with history. As a matter of fact, I also used to curse the curriculum designer. Why such subjects are there in class 10 for those students which are really not required by them in the future? But when I went through the NCERT book of history and the type of interest it created in me and the way I discussed the whole thing with my son, which the result was came to me when my son was talking to his sister, and told, जानती हो जब पापा ने हिस्ट्री मुझे पढ़ाया और जब क्वेश्चन पेपर मेरे सामने आया, मेरे सामने हर वो चीज़ आँख के सामने से गुजरा जो मुझे पापा ने बताया था, and it was like a story and I wrote everything. So what I am trying to impress upon the fact, all of us are good storytellers. Whether you are dealing with your children, dealing with your partners, dealing with your subordinate, dealing with your seniors, it all depends how you present yourself. Presenting yourself doesn't mean you have to frame a story and tell them. Presenting a story means you really should know how to present a case. And then it gave me a confidence that yes, things are not complicated as these are projected to be. We honestly take it so hard to our heart that we turn everything very difficult. One of the CEOs of foreign origin who came to India, he said in one of his interviews that after coming down to India, I came to understand that solution to a problem can be very simple. We honestly get carried away by the magnitude of the problem. So what I am trying to tell you all people, be a good storyteller. Tell it to yourself. If you are convinced, go ahead. Mark my words. If you are able to present your case, if you are able to define your strategy, if you are able to convince the people who are sitting in front of you, you are the ultimate storyteller. And that is your win. Be a good storyteller be a real winner. All the best. Happy journey.